My name's Kevin Scow. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Design Ready Controls. We've been in business for 30 years, and our specialty is providing machine builders with control panels and wire harnesses. When I started at Design Ready Controls, we were previously on an old DOS-based system that was very archaic, just basic business functions. And at that time, it was maybe 30 people total in the company. The group at the time had made the decision to buy M1. It seemed to fit our business for our size at the time and our needs, but also it was flexible. Finance, purchasing, supply chain, shop floor entry, scheduling, inventory management, it's the tool that we use. Since the implementation of M1, Design Ready Controls has grown tenfold from a revenue standpoint in those 13 years, or an annual rate of 15 to 20% year-over-year growth. And now we have 400 people and 4 locations around the United States. So we've been on a tremendous growth curve really since the implementation. It's been with us every step of the way. I would absolutely recommend M1 to other companies if they were doing some type of manufacturing or some type of value-add process. It's simple and straightforward and easy to learn. It's powerful enough to grow with you. That's what most companies want to be able to do, is stabilize and be healthy, but always continuously improve. M1 really allows you to do that in a lot of ways that maybe you haven't thought of before, but as you run your business, you start to see those other opportunities come to light.